Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Kit, and today we are out on a small body of water. Yeah, I'm here to catch panfish, walleye, catfish. So this body of water has all that stuff in here, but there is, I guess, one unique species here, and that is the red ear sunfish. Not too many bodies of water that I fish have them in there, but Butters, he just actually caught a decent one. Here we are, guys. I know I haven't shown me getting on a lake very often because I try to be a little incognito. Okay, not so incognito there. Okay. We out here though. We out here. The sun's about to come up. Good thing I don't have to go too far. The wind's blowing from the southwest. I want to say cars start poking around right here somewhere. All right, let's see. Hopefully the water's clear. All right, let's go grab the spud bar. I didn't really need it because the ice is at least 4 or 5 inches thick. But it's always good to practice ice safety. Even towards the end of the season, or past the middle. End of the season's coming up. We'll go right here. Fresh set of blades on here. See how they do. Should be like butter. Wow, that ice is thick. That ice is super thick. Holy cow. Not sure if the water's gonna be clear enough to use the underwater camera. I've been wanting to use the underwater camera, but haven't found very much clear water. Oh, I guess I wasn't recording this whole time. But we found some brush. See if I can show you guys on the chest cam real quick. There's some brush right there. Just a little drop off. I think to our left is gonna be, yeah, it kind of comes up. I think I'm right in front of that brush pile where I want to be. So we're gonna scooch on over. Kind of frozen. Let's see where we're at. I think I want to be like right in there. Yeah, look at all those fish right there, guys. Yeah, so that is, there's some brush piles out deeper. All right. We'll go in like 15 feet or so. Probably take this off. So I'm going to be right in this area. Oh yeah, I see my hole. I'm right in front of where I want to be. Okay. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that looks good to me, guys. I don't know about you guys. Okay, so we'll get set up. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, let's get the rods out. I'm gonna have one spoon, and once I catch a bluegill or crappie or something, I'm gonna cut them up, put some meat on there, because there are walleyes and catfish in this body of water. Hopefully I can try to hook up with one of those. Cool. Oh, we got some fish moving through already. Oh, here comes Butters. See if I catch a fish. Oh! He's coming. Oh, I got scared. There we go. Fish on. What's up, Butters? Gill. Not too bad. Yourself? I mean, no skunk. Yeah. First fish. Oh, here comes a school. So to my right is a brush pile. There's like a big brush right next to me. To my right.
That hole right there?
To my right.
Yeah.
No.
Right there.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's snow right there.
Yeah, there's a bunch of fish moving right now. Me too.
Oh, boogers.
Yep, boogers. Boogers.
Looks like somebody else showed it.
Yeah, with the trailer, which is crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess if you have it, why not? Okay, not
How deep are you?
15. It drops off to like 20 to my left.
Does it?
Yeah. Right now there's a bunch of fish moving through. Nothing big yet. The water's fairly clear. It's not super clear, but I mean, maybe once the sun pokes out a little bit more. Oh, here come some bigger marks, I think. Wow, that guy came racing in. He chased it in from so far. There we go. Here's a better bluegill. Here we go. That's a better fish. Here we go, guys. I think I'm gonna keep some fish for Grandy. So he ain't too picky. Wow, that guy came racing in from far. Oh, this guy's gonna turn around. I should probably set up my live scope cam, eh? All right, next little fish, I'm gonna keep him and cut him up. Let's dead stick this real quick. Get my scissors out. Okay, got the scissors out. Oh shoot, coming into my dead stick. Oh, he hit the dead stick. Come on, dude. Wasn't ready. Ooh, guy creeping on the bottom. Coming up. There we go, little guy. But he'll be perfect for bait. Wow. Yeah, he'll definitely be a bait sizer. So we'll dispatch of him real quick. Close your eyes. Put a chunk of bait on, and then we'll fish some more. Just a little chunk. All right, we're gonna dead stick that guy until we see something big. Then we'll fish this guy on the right side. Should probably set up the live scope camera. There's some fish moving through. See if they'll come after the tungsten. Come on, buddy. Oh, guy came down after it. Make him chase. Smaller guy. Oh! Come on, dude. He's coming back. Hey, there he is. Oh, putting up a little fight. Not the biggest guy. Not the biggest guy. But he's a guy. Oh, and I'm back. Oh, big fish. Big fish. Oh, that was a big fish, guys. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh! Oh! Just lost a big fish, Butters. Yeah. Dude. Oh, shit. It's either walleye or a catfish. He came flying up for it. Oh no, my bluegill went back down the hole. Sorry, gourds. So much fish. Oh, guy racing up. Guy racing up. Bunch of guys racing up. Wow. Okay. Got a crapper. See if I can not let him go this time. Oh, wait. There we go. Here's a better fish. Probably a little walleye. Yep. Oh, no. Walleye popped off, Butters. He's probably like a 14. Bluegill. Butters asked what I was using to as bait. All right, you know what? We're gonna try. Since the water's fairly clear, we'll let's try this style. Now, I don't switch very often, but gotta do what you gotta do to get the fish to bite, and they ain't biting. All right, we'll do tiny piece of plastic. Not sure what style this is called, but it's a Drastic Plastic bone bug, mud bug. But it's a tiny Tiny guy. Oh my god, this is super tiny. Maybe too tiny. We'll see what he do. Okay, let's get another piece of cut bluegill down there in case a walleye comes through. In case another walleye comes through. Oh wait, I think I just saw one. He's barely there. Let's get down. Let's get down there. Come on, come on. Where'd he go? Oh, he ate it on the way down. That was insane. There we go. Hey! Got a decent walleye, dude. Yeah, that was cool. I think there's another decent sized fish down there. Not a bad eye. Here we go, guys. So I kind of saw the guy faint in the background, and I dropped it down and he hit it on the way down. That was super cool. Oh, there's another fish down there. We'll let this guy go. It's probably, oh, I was gonna say he's a decent sized eater. I guess if I was gonna keep one, I should have kept that guy. Oh, fish just hit my dead stick. Oh, there's two fish looking at my stuff. Fish just hit my other rod too. Come on, man. There's so much fish down there. Drop that guy back down. See if I get something on the tungsten. There we go. Finally switched. What the? Oh man. Hey, got green head. Yep. Yep. Green head on the plastic. Here we go, guys. My first green head of the season. Surprisingly. Alright, we're gonna get a jaw jacker ready, set up out there. No minnow, but walleyes will hit plastics too, or not plastics, cut bait. All right, hopefully that goes off. Man, I don't know about this little bug thing, man. I gotta switch her out. Okay, we're gonna switch to a black Drastic Plastic now, or a black ice fluke. I don't know, maybe they haven't seen like a black bait here before. Oh yeah, red ear, dude. They're in here.
Is that a red ear?
Yep, that's a red ear. See how he's kind of blotchy on the side?
Yeah.
I think that's probably a female. That's why you can't really see the red.
That's so cool.
Yeah, that's part of the reason why I wanted to come here.
Dude, crushed it.
Plastic?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're in here. Yeah, they're pretty cool, dude. Oh, something bigger looking at my spoon. It's coming up. Hey, this is probably gonna be a walleye. Or a greenhead. Oh, walleye. Here we go. Of course, there's another fish down there trying to double fist over here. Here we go. Walleye, guys. Not a huge one. Oh no, he's gonna hit my, I gotta let him go. He's gonna hit my spoon. Or not my spoon. Oh, they were so aggressive. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna let that dead stick there while I cut up another piece of bluegill. Okay, we'll get the cut bluegill back down. Okay, I didn't get it on camera because nothing was happening, and then of course I turned off the cameras and we got fish. Hey! Alright, well, not complaining, but just wish I was able to get it on camera. No, that guy wasn't super huge or anything, but we're gonna keep him. We'll keep a few. Alright guys, so I pushed out a little bit deeper. That spot kind of died down for me. So now I'm out in deeper water. I'm in between a couple brush piles. Try to see what I can pick up out here. Wow, I'm getting a whole bunch of fish racing up already. There is a bunch of fish down there though. See if I can pick something off with the tungsten here. There we go. Oh man, I work so hard right now. Hey, here we go. Here we go, a little crapper. Got the black ice fluke on now. Figured I'd switch it up. Cool. Okay, so far the move has paid off. If I can mark a big fish and get a bigger fish out here, like a walleye or something, that'd be pretty cool. Oh, guys are racing. Come on. Oh! Oh, something bigger. No. Where you going, dude? Oh, that was a good fish, guys. That was a good fish. He came out from above the brush. Dang it. That was definitely a bigger fish. My nose won't stop freaking running. Here we go. That guy was a little bit bigger. Probably crappie. Yep, crapper. A little bit bigger, smaller than this other crappie, but hey, we ain't complaining. Wow. There we go. This guy chased it down and then came back up for it. What do we got here? Hey, another crapper. Got 3 crappers over here already. Yeah. Yeah, there's brush to my left and my right. Okay, we got a couple guys racing up. Wow, he upbit it. Okay, this guy, the quality is getting smaller and smaller. So we'll let this guy back. See ya. Wow, how did that guy not hit it? He came racing off the bottom. This guy's chasing. Yep. Oh, nope. Oh, here they come. Wow, that guy came zooming out from the brush. Crappie. Oh, peeling a little drag. Yep, crapper. So far, only crappers over here. Oh, got stuff right beneath the ice. These guys are right beneath the ice. Wow, what the heck? A bluegill like 2 feet below the ice. Here we go, guys. This guy was like 2 feet beneath the ice. Oh, my other camera turned off. That was interesting. Oh, right in front of the camera, I whiffed it. Come on, dude. Whoa, we got a shot out of nowhere. Little bluegill. Wait, might be a red ear. I think it's a little red ear, guys. A little shell cracker. Yeah, looks a little bit different compared to a bluegill. Little guy coming. Ooh. Was right beneath my feet. Can't believe how active that ice is right now. Well, guys, I think it's time to move again. Things have slowed way down over here. Seems like once you settle in for a spot, then the fish kind of get wary. Then they just move on. Whoa. Damn, I almost got f***ed up. Alright guys, we got the underwater camera going. I'm gonna hit record. Alright, we recording. Let's get down there. What if I got it too low or what? The bass down there? I think there's There's a bigger fish lurking. Bigger fish lurking right now. Oh, it is a bass. It's a bass. Come on. Come on, bass. No, he went away. Oh, here we go. Something's coming. Oh, he mouthed it. Here we go, here we go. Come on. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, there's a bass. I got the underwater camera down there. Yeah, just saw a bass. Oh. Ah, it's so-so. Come on, bass. You know you want it, bass. Going into sauce, Butters. Oh man, I didn't get him on the chest camera, but I got this guy on the underwater camera. That was cool. Big old red ear. Look at this. What a beauty. I'll let him go. Whoop, 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 whoop. That guy might be a hybrid, actually. Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Got him. I got that eat on the underwater camera. That was sick. Came in aggressive. He missed it a couple times. I'm surprised he still ate it. Oh, he ate it and spit it out like instantly. Oh, come on, bass hole. Oh, he missed. Come on, bass hole. He missed too. What the? Oh my God, how did I miss that guy? That was cool. Got him on the underwater kit. Oh, that was a good one too. Dang it. Come on, let's try to be a little aggressive here. Come on, buddy. Hey. Got a greenhead eating on camera, dude. Yeah, that was cool. Look a lot bigger on the camera. That's for sure. Here you go, guys. The old greenhead. We'll let him back. Ooh, crappie. Oh! Come on, crappie. Coming back. Oh, dude. Come on, crappie. Come back, crappie. No. Oh, another crappie. Oh, I missed the crappie on camera. Oh, bluegill came out of nowhere. Dang it. Come on, you want some? You want some? Bring it down to him. Ooh, crappie looking at the camera. Come on, this guy's just mouthing it. Oh, dude, come on. I think this guy's like a hybrid or something. Keep it still. Nope, just mouthing it. Oh, it went away. Oh, crappie came out of nowhere. Ooh. Get that guy to eat. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh. Oh, purple head. Ooh, there's another crappie. Crappie? Oh, suck. Let's adjust my lure real quick. Oh, I can't believe I missed that guy. A crappie. Ooh, another crappie. Come on. Come on, crappie. Oh no, as soon as I paused it, he turned. Crappie. There, I let him suck it in one more time. He was just off camera. That's pretty cool. Chill, 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 chill. Alright guys, here we go. First crappie on the underwater camera eat. Yay! What if I drop the camera a little bit lower? Oh, here comes a gill. Oh, here comes another gill. Still? Want it still? Nope. A little jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Nope. Come on, buddy. Yeah, I let him eat it a little bit more. Ooh, 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 oh, damn. Oh my God, that was a big kill. I think it was a hybrid or a red air, one of those two. I should have just reached down there and grabbed them. Got greedy. Oh, what the? Oh, crap, we're looking at the camera. Came out of nowhere. We'll come back. Ooh, he came back for it. That was cool. Here you go, Butters. Want another fish, Butters? Yeah. 2? You got 2 for me over there? Yes, sir. Oh, I wasn't sure if I had him hooked. Cool. Such a cool fish. I don't know, I feel like this is a hybrid. Yeah, he looks a lot like a bluegill, but he's got like characteristics of a red air also, with the blotchiness on the gill and a little bit red on the opercular flap, as they call it. Oh, oh, that's a big bluegill. That's a little bluegill. Ooh, crappie. Come on, crappie. No, crappie, come back. Oh, dude. I came out of nowhere and I missed him. Oh, here comes another guy. Oh. Oh, that was a good guy. Oh, crappie. Let's come back. 2 crappies. No. Come on, crappie. Crappie did hit it. He chased it all the way up. Ooh, greenhead. Oh, crappie chased it down. Oh my God. There we go, crappie. Right when I was adjusting the camera. Hee. Alright, we'll let this guy go. Whoa, whoa, chill, 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 chill. Hey, here we go. Didn't get him on the underwater camera, but wow. Oh, greenhead. No wonder. You okay over there? Oh, nice, dude. Here we go. Green head. We'll let him back. Walleye? Oh, yeah. Wasn't camera worthy?
No, he wasn't picture worthy.
Ooh, got a green head on camera. Oh, okay. I swear I just caught this guy. Hey, this is the most green heads I caught all season.
Holy cow. Holy cow.
Ooh, that guy came out of nowhere. Got a big one, Butters?
I'll bring him over to you.
Sure? Let me see that bad boy. I'll let this guy go. Not exactly a dinner plate. Wow, what a chungus, dude.
Dude.
That is huge.
Do you have a tape at all?
Somewhere. Probably gonna be pushing 10, if I had to guess. Oh, there was a crappie looking at my stuff.
Dude, he's just 9.
9?
He's big, man.
You catching them like right below the ice, or?
He was like, I don't know, he was down towards the bottom, and I just seen him, and I started jigging really, really aggressive.
I got one too. Ooh.
I'll then go down the let's go pool. Nice.
Not as big as yours, but
Those guys are cool.
they are cool.
Thanks, buddy.
Yep. Very cool fish.
I won't harass you anymore. Are these two for me?
Yep.
Sweet.
Cool. I think this is a female. The colors aren't so pronounced, but we'll let it go. Could have been a hybrid. Could have been a hybrid. Here, I had to let him eat it for a little bit. Wow. Hey, not even that big, but not bad. Cool fish. Wow, that crappie came out of nowhere. That was cool. Man, I keep thinking about switching out my plastic, but I mean, I'm getting bit enough. Little crappie. Nothing too crazy, but that was a cool eat on the underwater camera. Alright guys, it is about noon 30, and I think I'm gonna get ready to wrap it up here because oh, what's this? Greenhead? Oh no! Here we go. I don't think I showed my front facing camera yet, but this is part of the reason why I wanted to come out here. Look at this fish. And unfortunately I got a birthday party to go to later, so I think I gotta wrap it up here. I tried to mix it up a little bit with the underwater camera. I mean, it's so hard to get it positioned correctly, and the field of view is so low, so there isn't very much vertical movement. But yeah, check out this fish. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know. Leave a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Oh, and this guy wants to go. Alright, buddy.